Tackling home improvement projects gets a lot easier when you have reliable leveling tools at hand. The best laser level for DIY brings accuracy and convenience that help beginners and weekend warriors complete jobs like a pro. Whether hanging shelves or laying tiles, these devices save time and reduce frustration. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. HUEPAR B03CG Laser Level. The HUEPAR B03CG stands out as a solid choice for serious DIY enthusiasts who want full room coverage without constantly repositioning their tool. It projects one horizontal 360-degree plane in two vertical ones, creating a complete layout that covers walls, floors, and ceilings in one go with impressive reach and clarity. At 33 feet, the accuracy stays within 1/9 of an inch, which feels more than adequate for most household tasks, like installing cabinets or aligning wallpaper. The bright green beams cut through typical indoor lighting better than many competitors, and you can toggle between 5 different line combinations depending on what the job demands. A large 5200 mAh rechargeable battery keeps it running up to 8 hours on a single charge, and the USB-C port makes topping it up straightforward, whether you use a wall outlet, power bank, or the included adapter. Self-leveling kicks in automatically within 4 degrees after you unlock the pendulum, while a manual mode lets you lock lines at odd angles for creative projects. Pulse mode tones down brightness for outdoor or long-distance work and pairs nicely with a separate receiver to stretch the range dramatically. The tool feels tough thanks to its rubberized housing that survives drops from about 4 feet and shrugs off dust and light splashes with IP54 protection. It comes with a magnetic pivoting base that sticks securely to metal surfaces, a target plate, and a sturdy carrying case that protects everything during transport. Some users might find the full 12-line setup slightly overwhelming at first, but once you get comfortable switching modes, it becomes second nature.
Number 2. Klein 93 CPLG Compact Laser Level. Klein's 93 CPLG Compact Laser Level appeals to people who value portability without sacrificing visibility on smaller jobs around the house. Its 3 bright green 360-degree planes appear roughly twice as vivid as traditional red lasers, making them easy to spot even in moderately lit garages or basements. The projection reaches up to 100 feet, giving plenty of room for tasks like framing walls or setting up long runs of shelving. Because the unit is lightweight and compact, it slips easily into a tool bag and works well in tight spaces where bulkier models feel clumsy. Battery life stretches beyond 6 hours of continuous use, which covers most afternoon projects without needing a recharge midway. A tilt mode lets you lock the pendulum so you can work at custom angles instead of being restricted to level surfaces only. The overmold exterior feels durable and grippy, while the IP54 rating keeps dust and occasional moisture from causing issues during typical indoor work. Setup takes almost no time. Just power it on and let the self-leveling handle minor adjustments automatically. Many DIYers appreciate how straightforward the controls remain even when wearing gloves or working quickly.
Number 3. CIGMAN Magnetic Laser Level. CIGMAN's Magnetic Laser Level offers a nice balance of power and portability that suits both casual DIYers and those handling occasional larger home jobs. 12 ultra-bright green lines deliver full 360-degree coverage that proves useful for tiling floors, hanging heavy mirrors, or framing out new closet systems with confidence. The included remote control lets you adjust brightness and turn lines on or off from across the room, which feels surprisingly handy when you're holding a board in place or standing on a ladder. Its compact size makes storage simple compared with bigger 3D models, yet it still feels robust thanks to IP54 dust and water resistance that handles the occasional workshop mess. Switching between self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes covers everything from quick shelf installs to more precise outdoor layout work when paired with a receiver that extends the range up to around 160 feet. The built-in 4000 mAh battery supports long sessions and charges quickly through a standard Type-C port using whatever power source you have nearby. Automatic leveling works within 4 degrees and provides clear visual alerts if the unit sits too far out of position.
Many users like how the strong magnetic mount clings securely to steel studs or pipes, freeing up hands for other tasks. While the remote adds convenience, some might find the learning curve for all the line combinations a bit much initially, though practice quickly smooths that out.
Number 4. Tsokzo 4D Laser Level. The Tsokzo 4D laser level brings impressive brightness and flexibility that works especially well for detailed interior work where every millimeter counts. Its green beam appears 4 times stronger than red alternatives, achieving accuracy within half a millimeter at roughly 26 feet, which helps when installing crown molding, laying perfect tile patterns, or ensuring level countertops. Intelligent brightness adjustment prevents the lines from washing out in sunny rooms while still remaining visible from a distance, and a separate receiver can push the working range out to 150 feet for bigger spaces. You can flip between automatic leveling that corrects up to 3 degrees and manual mode that locks lines at any angle for sloped ceilings or custom designs. 2 replaceable lithium batteries provide extended runtime, so you rarely run out of power mid-project, and the included remote control lets you toggle lines without climbing down from ladders constantly. A magnetic mount, lift base, and tripod adapter expand mounting options dramatically, letting you attach it to metal surfaces, floors, or standard tripods depending on the task. The unit performs best indoors where bright sunlight won't overpower the beam, making it ideal for garage conversions, kitchen updates, or basement finishing. Some users note that fully charging before first use is important for maximum battery performance, but once set up, the tool feels intuitive and reliable.
Number 5. WEIDDW Laser Level. WEIDD's laser level keeps things straightforward and practical for everyday homeowners who need accurate lines without complicated features. It shines during interior decoration tasks like hanging artwork evenly, installing ceiling fixtures, or ensuring tiles line up perfectly across a bathroom floor. 2 2400 mAh batteries deliver between 6 and 8 hours of total use, which covers most weekend projects comfortably, with a spare ready when one runs low. The device offers simple auto leveling that handles tilts up to 4 degrees and a manual mode for those times when you need lines at specific non-level angles. A tripod and remote control come included, making setup quick and allowing adjustments from a distance so you can fine-tune while checking alignment. Green lines provide good visibility in typical home lighting conditions, helping reduce mistakes on projects ranging from picture walls to shelving units. While it lacks the full multi-plane complexity of some higher-end options, its focused simplicity means fewer buttons to learn and less chance of accidentally changing settings mid-job. The compact design stores easily in a closet or toolbox, and the included accessories add real value without extra cost. Some might wish for longer single-battery runtime on very large jobs, yet the dual battery system usually prevents downtime.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.